Hello, my friendly shoppers, and today we are heading into Michael's. It's one of the greatest craft stores ever. And remember, the shopping life is our new channel, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button because we have some wonderful things coming up, and we have daily videos coming out. So let's go ahead and walk in. We're greeted by the huge nutcrackers. And just like a lot of other stores, so much wrapping paper to choose from. These doormats and ribbon galore. Goodness, they have so much ribbon, and everything in the Christmas section is 40% off. All these fillers. And now immediately when I walked in, I was overwhelmed with the cinnamon and nutmeg smells, and of course it's those wonderful pine cones. They always smell so good. And these bottle brush trees are such a hit this year. And the great thing about those, you can have more than one. And these ornaments with the pictures, those are such great little gifts, especially for grandparents and aunts and uncles, and they're good memories to put on the tree too. And we love all the lights. And like I said, now the 40% off did not apply to the lights. It was buy one, get one half off. But oh goodness, I am obsessed with these little lights. Like, can you have enough? Or can you have too many? I don't think so. And these wonderful little tags. It's amazing. You see a lot of stuff that really resembles the Rae Dunn. And then there are trees. Our last tree did come from Michael's. It was a good tree. We just had an animal that decided to attack the tree, and we're gonna have to get a new one. It's just being held together by string and all sorts of fun stuff. But of course, there's no shortage of stockings this year or tree skirts if you want to get multiples. And look at these cute little craft. There's so much fun stuff, and this is really great. They're great for keeping the kids busy, especially when they have a week off of Thanksgiving. I'm from a generation where we had Wednesday off, Thursday and Friday, and that was it. But the Wednesday came later. It used to be just like Thanksgiving, and then it came Wednesday, but now those lucky kids have a whole week off. I would love to have that. And you can see Michael's, there's so much to create. Now, I was a little obsessed over these large ornament balls. So they're $9.99. They were 50% off, so they're only $5. Those are great for outdoor trees. And it's so funny because now, watching the video and seeing those, like, I should have gotten some of those. What was I thinking? Because we live here in Southern California, so our whole weather extreme, those will survive. Maybe the Santa Ana wind, so just don't place them too close together. And I love these retro bulbs. They're bringing really a lot. I've seen a lot this year, and it just makes me so happy to see that stuff coming back. And look at these. So these are large snowflakes. I love hanging these in the house, and that one had a little boop. And then you have, when the light hits those, it's so pretty. So those will look pretty outside too. Like I said, if you're in Southern California or the area where you're not really getting a lot of rain or quote weather, we just have sun. So many cute, I love these little mason jar items. Those were $9.99. It's so cute. There is so many cute signs this year. It is so hard for me not to buy all of them. I want them all. I will take down every picture in my house, my family pictures. I'll put all these signs up, but that's a lot of work. I definitely do have a lot of signs, family photos up, but these signs, they're just so cute. My husband would disagree, but I think more signs the better. I mean, look at that one. That one was definitely cute. Like I said, there's so much great decor out there, and it's just something for everybody's style. Look, you get the bright colors, and it even got the bottle brush trees. Now these, I was a little intrigued. I know Target has a very smaller version of them, but wow, where would I put those? It'd be great if you have a really large island. And my island is not that big in the kitchen. but the pillows are great. It's such a little mixed match. Now these little trees, those are so great if you're making like little, like if you know, for kids you're making the snowball, not the snowballs, but the snow globes. And of course, if you have the artificial trees, those pine sets are really nice. And again, more and more wrapping paper. I need to find a place who will take wrapping papers that's old, that's already used, you know, to be reused or to donate. Now these bags, I had to look them up. I couldn't find the price. They were $6.99 each. So there was gingerbread and sugar cookies, and then they had like the sprinkles. They were not on sale. They were all full price. But wow, check that out. And then they had the, you know, the hot bombs, the hot chocolate bombs are such a, it was a trend that started last year. And it was so funny because on Etsy you would find the hot chocolate bomb kits. We ended up making our own as well. And people were selling the kits in and out, or, you know, you kind of knew it's going to pick up with the manufacturers. So they're everywhere now. Which is great because a lot of people don't have, if they don't have access to small shoppers, because a lot of times they'll sell them in the marketplaces. They can order them online and get them home, and their families can enjoy them too. So many little crafts at Michael's. I visit this store at least twice a week, and I can never walk out with nothing. Look at silver bills. Love all these little, I love hanging these in the doors. You can always tell who's coming through. And the cards and the greenery. I really need to step up my wreath game. These. They're so pretty. It's like, how do you choose? So this is what I have now. I do have those. Those are $3.99. You know, I bought them, I think I bought mine at $5, and I thought that was pretty low. But it's been a couple of years. I just add a red bow and then I hang them at the windows, but I use those for outdoors too. Like I said, all the wonderful crafts for kids. Now, this was in the floral section. What would you do with that big bow? I would like to know what people are making with those. Now, those are cute. And I do love to go, our old Michael's, I used to live in Northern California. They had a setup where you could see the people making these. I don't know if people are still in the stores making these anymore, or they're being manufactured and being sold. Because I don't see the counters for them anymore. Because it used to be really quite a thing to just watch them put these beautiful pieces together, and I'm not seeing it anymore. Maybe that is a thing of the past. But yeah, like I said, there's not a shortage of greenery, which is so pretty around the house. And of course, for the craft, I wasn't too impressed with this Michael's of how they're displaying their craft, because it was really kind of hard to see what they had. I felt like it was hidden in the back. Now they have these little craft sets, which are really fun. And the kids, I know, like my kid loves doing these. Look at these plates for them to decorate. And the trees and the boxes. All right, everybody. Well, thank you for joining with us, and we'll see you tomorrow.